नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्लोका 53। कुमारा ऊचुः मा चिन्तां कुरु देवर्षे हर्षं चित्ते समावह उपाय सुखसाध्योऽत्र वर्तते पूर्व एव हि। मा चिन्तां कुरु देवर्षे। मा means my. Chindam means worried. Kuru means anxious. Devarshe means Narada Muni, the rishi of Devas. Harsham chitte samavaha. Harsham means cheerfulness, happiness. Chitte, in the mind. Samavaha means everything in the same way. Upaya sukha sadhyotra. Upaya means a remedy. Sukha means happiness. Sadhyotra. Sadhyotra means like very long. Vartate purva evahi. Vartade means existence. Purva means long back. Evahi means for this. Mam chindam kuru devarshe harsham chitte samavaha upaya sukha sadhyotra vartade purva evahi. O celestial sage, this is what the Kumaras, the 4 Kumaras of Brahma, Sanagan, Sanandan, Sanadanan and Sanat Kumaran. So they are telling Narada Muni that you do not need to feel so anxious or worried. We will help you to restore the cheerfulness to your mind, and there has been an existence for an easy remedy for a very long time, and we will explain to you what you should do. Kumara uchuhu ma chindam kuru devarshe harsham chitte samavaha upaya sukha sadhyotra vartade purva eva hi.